वोट पडटा सांजचे मागीर वत आमकां पडटलें
सांजचें आमकां येतलें पूण तितलें येवचें ना अशें आसा कितें जालें काय मागीर सुटी सकट गेलो म्हणटा परत सावू येतली. आणि इंडोर झाडां ना रे त्याची तितून
So we have an urban tree management workshop today. In that we have a tree care committee. The main speaker is Jonas and he's from Auroville, Pondicherry. And basically they are going to explain us about the pruning of tree, cutting of tree, health monitoring of trees, how to plant new trees. So if you go through my itinerary, we have now even the parasite, how to cut the parasite, they are going to demonstrate. First they'll explain it and then they'll start demonstrating it. If you can see around our ecosystem, there are many trees, the mango trees, if you can see, there are many parasites, but we don't know how to remove them without harming the tree. So then one of such case would be removing that. Then pruning also we are doing, how to climb the tree, how to prune the tree without affecting the health of the tree, then how to monitor the health of the tree, how to plant a new tree or how to plant a new shrub, because we have been planting trees or shrubs in our garden, in a balcony also, but proper management, how do we go about it, that we don't know. कशें सारें घालप, कशें माती घालप, खंयच्या लेवलाक कितली क्वांटिटी वी हॅव टू यूज. आमी यूट्यूब पळयता पण लायव्ह डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन इज नेवर शोन. एटलीस्ट इन गोवा आय डोंट थिंक इट्स शोन एनीवे. There are paid classes, but this is absolutely free. Anybody can come here, just take a walk here. Also, we have many stalls. Like one stall is from Goa Forest Department, another stall is from local nursery, who is just showcasing all native Goan plant species. All are mostly fruit bearing. तुम्ही जरा चिकू, निरपणस आसा, मागीर करमला आसा, बिमलाची झाडां आसा, देन जाळफळ, मसाले वेगळे वेगळे आसा, तिखी आसा. You can just, everybody can just drop by, just see them. Then we have a social welfare group who is selling coconut oil with some spices, masala and all those next thing. Then we have got a stall from Biodiversity Board. They are showcasing what they have done, what they have achieved. Also, they have displayed some products. Then we have two more.